And I'm going to explain a little bit about the newest and latest greatest landing gear addition to the 80mm A-10 for my Red Devils 107th A-10. I just got these in the mail, and I'm going to give a quick show of these parts. They came in a bundle of 3, and they came in short order, 2 days, and I appreciate that from Motion RC. Great bunch of guys to work with, and Captain Mike and Pilot Ryan and all the rest of the crew. Thanks, guys. And just a little bit about what's going on here, and I'll show you these parts here in a second. The left main, then the nose gear, and then the right main up at the top. And I'm going to replace all these with the ones that are currently on the aircraft on that A-10. And see if this can work out better with the bunny hopping and all those kinds of issues. Not too much of an issue for me, but it has happened on occasion, and I'll get these all painted up first. Once I get them all painted up, and I'll get them installed on the airplane. And some of these grub screws, they are soft, made out of soft metal, and they strip pretty easily in the Allen portion of it, trying to screw and unscrew. So I've got an easy out just in case that's the issue. So without further ado, I'll get these out of the package and get them painted up. And I use Aileron high gloss white paint. It seems to work really good for me. Alright, here we go. Nicely painted. Getting ready to get these on the aircraft. That wonderful 80mm A-10 Motion RC Freewing.